In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your Wisely card. Linking your Wisely card and transferring funds is straightforward, and once it's set up, you can easily manage your money and make purchases or payments wherever you use your card. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage all of your personal and financial information. From here, scroll down and tap on Linked Banks to start the process of adding your Wisely card. To link your Wisely card, tap on Link Debit Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV code located on the back of the card, and the zip code associated with your Wisely account. Make sure all the information is entered correctly and follow any on-screen prompts. Once your card is successfully linked, you're ready to transfer money. Next, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the banking icon in the bottom left corner. Here, you will see your Cash App balance. Tap on your balance to open the withdrawal options. Then select Withdraw and choose to transfer the funds to your linked bank or card, in this case, your Wisely card. Enter the amount you want to transfer carefully, making sure it matches what you need. Once ready, tap the green button to confirm the transaction. Cash App will process the transfer, and your funds will be sent directly to your Wisely card. Depending on processing times, the money should appear on your card quickly, making it available for spending or transfers right away. And that's it. Transferring money from Cash App to your Wisely card is quick, simple, and secure.